How to fix ink cartridge errors on HP Inkjet printers. On occasion, you might experience an ink cartridge-related issue on your HP Inkjet printer, indicated by an error message on the printer control panel or on the printer software. The error message might state that the cartridge is incompatible, missing, or that there has been a failure. There are a variety of different ink cartridges designed for different HP Inkjet printer models. Some printers have only 2 cartridges, one for black and one for color. Other printers have multiple cartridges, one for black and one for each of the colors, magenta, cyan, and yellow. While the cartridges covered in this video might not look exactly like the ones in your printer, the steps are the same. After each step shown in this video, attempt to print again. If you are still encountering the same error, continue to the next step. Step 1. Check the ink cartridge numbers. Making sure the cartridge model numbers match your printer determines whether they are compatible or not. Note, this step only applies to standard ink cartridges. If you are an Instant Ink subscriber, you might not be able to look up the cartridge model numbers using this method. Open the door or lid to the cartridge access area. Wait until the ink carriage stops moving before continuing. Look at the cartridge labels and make note of the number listed on them. To check if your cartridge is correct for your printer, go to support.hp.com. Select Printer Support. Under HP Ink and Toner cartridges, select Check Compatible Cartridges. Search for and select your printer model in the search field. All compatible ink cartridges for your printer model display in the drop-down menus. If the cartridges in your printer do not match any of the numbers in the list, replace the incompatible cartridges with one of the numbers listed. Step 2. Reset the printer. Resetting the printer can recover it from cartridge errors or failures. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to a wall outlet and to the printer. Note, HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Turn the printer on to complete the reset. Step 3. Clean the ink cartridge and carriage electrical contacts. Removing any debris or buildup from the contacts on the cartridge and the carriage can fix ink errors. To clean ink cartridges, you will need a lint-free cloth. Open the door or lid to the cartridge access area. Wait until the carriage stops moving. Remove the cartridge from the carriage. Some cartridges slide directly out of their slots. Some have a tab that needs to be pressed to be removed, and some cartridges need to be gently pressed down on before they can be removed. Caution: do not touch the ink nozzles or the copper-colored electrical strip on the cartridge. Touching or trying to remove these parts can result in clogs, ink failure, and bad electrical connections. Occasionally, protective tape can be left on the ink cartridges when they are installed. If you see this tape on the cartridge, remove it, reinsert the cartridge, and try to print again. If no protective tape is seen on the cartridge, continue with the cleaning procedure. Using the lint-free cloth, gently wipe the copper-colored contacts on the cartridge. Do the same to clean the electrical contacts in the carriage. Reinsert the cartridge into the correct slot. Close the door or lid to the cartridge access area. Step 4. Replace the problem ink cartridge. If the current ink cartridge in your printer is defective, installing a new cartridge can resolve ink-related errors. Before removing the current cartridge, obtain a replacement cartridge. Note, if you have a defective HP cartridge, it might be under warranty. Go to support.hp.com/contact to reach out for printer warranty information. If you are an Instant Ink subscriber, go to instantink.com and sign in to contact HP Instant Ink support for new cartridges. Instant Ink subscribers are entitled to replacement cartridges through the service. Open the door or lid to the cartridge access area. Wait until the carriage stops moving. Remove the cartridge indicated in the error message and then insert the new cartridge into the slot. Close the door or lid to the cartridge access area. Depending on your printer model, you might receive a prompt to align the cartridges after replacement. Follow the steps in the prompt to complete the alignment. If none of the steps in this video have resolved the error you are experiencing, visit support.hp.com for additional troubleshooting solutions. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.